DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on your network. This simplifies setup and prevents IP address conflicts. Most Spectrum routers come with DHCP enabled by default. To verify or enable DHCP, access your router's web interface by typing 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 into a web browser. The default username is often admin, and the password might be password or the router's serial number. Check the sticker on your router. Once logged in, navigate to the LAN settings or DHCP server section, often found under Advanced, then Setup. Ensure the Enable DHCP server option is toggled on. Save your changes and reboot the router. This ensures devices connecting to your network automatically receive an IP address, subnet mask, and DNS server information. Within the DHCP settings, you can configure the IP address pool. This defines the range of IP addresses that your router can automatically assign to devices on your network. A common example is from 192.168.2 to 192.168.0.254, which provides plenty of addresses for most home networks. You can also set the lease time, which determines how long an IP address remains assigned to a device before it needs to renew. A typical lease time is 24 hours, but you can adjust this based on your network needs. Shorter leases can help with dynamic networks, while longer ones reduce renewal traffic. If devices aren't getting IP addresses, start troubleshooting by double-checking that DHCP is enabled in your router interface. Access the router's web page and navigate to the DHCP settings to ensure the server is turned on. Next, check for IP address conflicts by reviewing the client list in your router settings. This list shows all connected devices and their assigned IPs. Look for any duplicate addresses that could cause connection issues. If problems persist, try releasing and renewing the IP address on the device itself. On Windows, use the command prompt with ipconfig release followed by ipconfig/renew. On other devices, you can restart the device or check network settings to force a new IP assignment. Spectrum also offers a smart DHCP feature in some newer routers. This automatically adjusts IP pools based on network load, helping to prevent conflicts in busy home networks with many connected devices. For additional help, refer to Spectrum's My Spectrum app. It provides remote DHCP resets and other troubleshooting tools to help resolve connectivity issues without needing to access the router directly.